Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. Now, this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So if you are interested, please click the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to my review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 4 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. You can grab it, and you will reach your online income goals quickly and easily. And the second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And when you get an order for a high-value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. And the third bonus will show you how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing, folks. It's a recurring passive income. And you can do that with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. And not only that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, in a nutshell, this book purports to give you proven but little-known strategies to attract clients so that you can maximize your profit margins. It also has tips and expert advice and practical video marketing techniques so that you can drive conversions and sales and leads. Now, the creator or the vendor of this particular book, The Clients, or How to Get Clients, is Adoram Isoabi. Now, I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that right. And he's a relatively new creator on the Warrior Plus platform. He is an affiliate marketer who loves to share his knowledge with the broader community. And he hails from Morocco. Now, what you'll get on the inside is you will learn at least 3 important steps in getting clients to run a successful business. You'll discover the guaranteed steps formula for maximum organic reach without spending a dime on ads. You'll discover the little-known tactic that can increase your client base exponentially. And that means attracting more potential customers, generating more leads, and easily gaining more clients from YouTube. Now, it'll also show the exact steps to build a client list and market your business like a pro. The number one effective way to attract potential clients is from Facebook, and it'll show you how to do that using the Facebook groups. It'll show you the winning selling strategy to get clients and upsell them for more irresistible courses. And you will learn elegant strategies from entrepreneurs and business owners and internet masters. Not only that, you will grow your business 10 times faster with advanced marketing strategies. And there's much more. And there's also a guarantee. So the Guaranteed is a step-by-step book that reveals all you need to get clients. So who can use this book? Well, a podcaster on YouTube, a newbie who wants to get traffic and leads, a YouTube influencer, a business coach, those who want to sell digital products and services, or a social media influencer. Take a peek inside here. So there you have it, folks. A really interesting book on how to get clients. Now, the sales funnel is really quite small. There's a front end. It really is how to get clients, which is $27. That book that you just viewed. And OTO1, The Secret to Getting Clients, for $19.95. Now, if you need to know more, you can click the second link below and get the full story. Now, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. And you will not be disappointed if you take that link or take that opportunity that's presented to you to gain $10,000 a month. And you can also gain my 4 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. You can buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. You can also gain recurring income online easily. And you can earn daily income using those 3 simple steps while spending 15 minutes a day on the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, folks, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.